Five Phases and Seasons. The theory of yin-yang and the five phases explains the relationship of mutual generating and controlling through seasonal changes. Spring is the season when the energy of wood is strong. When the energy of wood is dominant, it suppresses the energy of earth according to the principle of mutual generation and restraint in five phases. As a result, the energy of earth weakens easily. In our body, the energy of earth corresponds to the digestive system. Therefore, in spring, people may experience reduced appetite or feel lethargic and unable to work after eating, leading to symptoms related to the digestive system. This explains the saying, "Shikonjung," or post-meal fatigue, refers to the state of losing energy and feeling lethargic after eating. Many people, especially in spring, suffer from this condition because the energy of wood suppresses the energy of earth. This phenomenon is called wood controls earth. Autumn is the season when the energy of metal is strong. The energy of metal suppresses the energy of wood. The energy of wood is associated with mental activity, emotional expression, and outward expansion. In autumn, the energy of the lungs, metal, becomes inwardly consolidating, which can lead to a tendency to feel withdrawn or depressed. It is a season where emotions are not easily expressed. Thus, when autumn comes and people feel depressed, there is a Korean expression for it, Yul Tanda, autumn sickness. Additionally, autumn is a season of increased appetite. The strong energy of metal suppresses the energy of wood, which results in an excessive increase in the energy of earth. The energy of earth, which should be moderated by the energy of wood, becomes unregulated because of the weakened wood energy, leading to an inability to suppress appetite. This is the opposite of what happens in spring, where the energy of wood suppresses the energy of earth. Summer is the season when the energy of fire is strong. In summer, as the energy of fire becomes dominant, it suppresses the energy of metal in the five phases cycle. Metal is associated with lung qi. However, in summer, lung qi weakens, causing energy to dissipate outward, manifesting as sweat. While spring often leads to lethargy after eating, summer results in fatigue due to excessive sweating. For individuals who experience excessive sweating and fatigue during the summer, herbs like astragalus or Korean chicken soup samgyetang are recommended to protect lung qi. This is why eating samgyetang in the summer has become a tradition among Korean people. When lung qi weakens, it fails to generate water. This imbalance can lead to yin deficiency, resulting in symptoms like dryness and coughing. To address these conditions, the herbal formula Sheng Mai San is commonly used. Winter is the season when the energy of water is strong. Water suppresses the energy of fire in the five phases cycle. During winter, the cold weather makes the body more vulnerable to cold, and yang energy decreases. People with deficient yang energy often find it difficult to be active during this season. Symptoms such as joint pain, cold and aching knees, menstrual cramps due to cold, and other cold-related conditions tend to worsen in winter. Although certain ailments tend to occur more frequently in specific seasons, this does not mean that everyone will experience these conditions. Rather, this serves as an example of how the five phases influence each other. The five phases are a system that maintains balance by controlling and harmonizing through the principles of yin and yang. This system applies not only to seasonal changes, but also to personality, social relationships, politics, feng shui, and various aspects of life. Consider exploring how you can view the world through the lens of the five phases in your own life.